Hey guys, welcome to EriClean. I'm Eric and I'm ready to clean. In this video I'm going to be cleaning clothes, but most importantly folding, hanging, and putting them away. I'm going to be honest, this could be one of my worst weaknesses, but if I don't take care of it now, then all these messy clothes will either end up on the ground or neglected for some time. I currently use Kirkland Ultra Clean for my clothes because it's pretty affordable and, most importantly, it smells good. Does anyone else struggle with making their bed in the morning? Just me? Gotcha. I've always been told that I fold really weird. Please let me know in the comments if I fold weird or not. Please don't make fun of me. That last part was a definite fail. Let's redo that. Much better.
Hello there.
I swear my dogs never leave me alone, especially this one right here. It's just so funny because every time that I'm always like walking around or anything, they're always in my business. And especially when you're trying to clean, it can be very tough. But I always try to be understanding because I know they love me, but I do understand that I need to get this done. I need to clean.
Someone to hold me, you know I could be the one for you. I know you've been lonely. Want someone to hold me, thinking I could be the one for you. Be the one for you. Be the one for you. Someone to hold me, you know I could be the one for you. I know you've been lonely. Want someone to hold me, thinking I could be the one for you. Be the one for you. Be the one for you.
Pose. Pose. Don't put this in your video, really.
Oh, that's gonna make it.
No, 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 no.